Okay, August 27th, Saturday. It's like 7:54 p.m. and I'm in position to see my guys. It looks like a semi-cloudy part where they call it partly cloudy night out, so I'm gonna chill right here at dusk. Oh, it's dusk by the way. Yep. And see where they are. Alright, over now. I'll be going to pause it. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going outside right now. It's partly cloudy night. And we're going to see everything that we have out here. That is Junior. You see him just going in and out of visibly? That's not me doing anything. I'm not even moving. And then Old Faithful's right here. You see him? They're all going invisible tonight. Okay, now that's better. That is Mohican. He's kind of moving back and forth, but once again, he looks normal on the screen. Okay. There he is. There's another one. That's Junior. And that's the fourth one I don't have named. So, that's the guys. They're all out here tonight. It's August 28th, by the way. Pause it.